Have you ever wondered what made a solar eclipse so fascinating? Solar eclipses are truly rare and awe-inspiring cosmic events where the moon ever so perfectly aligned between the sun and the earth, casting a shadow that turned day into night. Now, in the year 2024, we had the presence of another extraordinary solar eclipse, one as intriguing as it was unique. These cosmic phenomena were not just celestial shows. They were reminders of our connection to the cosmos and the intricate dance of celestial bodies. Fact 1. The 2024 solar eclipse's unusually wide path. What made the 2024 solar eclipse special was that its path of totality was wider than usual. This meant that a larger area was engulfed in darkness, providing a once-in-a-lifetime astronomical show for more people. During the total solar eclipse on August 21, 2017, the path of totality was home to about 12 million people. This time, it was 32 million, largely in big cities like Mazatlan in Mexico, San Antonio, Austin, Fort Worth, and Dallas in Texas, Indianapolis in Indiana, Cleveland in Ohio, and Buffalo and Rochester in New York. All experienced totality. Fact 2. The longest duration on land since 2010. The 2024 solar eclipse lasted for 4 minutes and 28 seconds in Nazas, Mexico. Why was this significant? Well, this duration made it the longest solar eclipse on land since the year 2010. That's right. We had to travel 14 years back in time to find an eclipse that lasted this long over terrestrial terrain. And it wasn't just about the length, it was about the experience. Imagine standing under the sky, watching as the moon gradually drifted over the sun, painting the world in a surreal twilight for over 4 whole minutes. Fact 3. The path of totality stretched across 3 countries. Picture this. The 2024 solar eclipse, a spectacular celestial event, cast its shadow across not 1, but 3 North American countries. Let's start from the south. The eclipse first made its grand appearance in northwest Mexico. It then journeyed northwards, gracing the skies of the United States. More than 32 million people in metropolitan areas across the states had the privilege of witnessing this otherworldly phenomenon. But it didn't stop there. The eclipse continued its voyage, reaching all the way to maritime Canada. It was like a solar road trip, only this one was in the sky. This expansive path of totality, stretching across international borders and diverse landscapes, offered a unique unifying experience for millions. Now that was a celestial event of international proportions. Fact 4. The eclipse's incredible distance. What was incredible about the 2024 solar eclipse was its incredible distance coverage. This cosmic event spanned a staggering 9,020 miles. To put that into perspective, that was about the length of the Great Wall of China. The majority of this journey was over the vast expanse of the ocean. This was a testament to the immense scale of our planet and the extraordinary path the shadow of the moon traced across its surface. The remaining distance, around 3,275 miles, was overland, casting a surreal midday twilight over the regions it passed. Fact number 5. The visibility of Venus and Jupiter. Venus and Jupiter came out to play during the event. The temporary darkness provided a unique opportunity to view these celestial neighbors in full glory. Venus, often referred to as the evening star, was visible to the naked eye, appearing as a bright, unblinking point in the sky. Meanwhile, Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, was also observable, although it might have required a pair of binoculars for a clearer view. This visual spectacle wasn't just about the solar eclipse, but a chance to witness Venus and Jupiter in the daytime sky. It was a rare occurrence made possible by the distinct alignment of our planets during this astronomical event. Fact 6. The sighting of comet 12P Pons Brooks. There was a slight possibility of sighting a comet during the 2024 solar eclipse. As our beautiful blue planet plunged into brief, awe-inspiring darkness, we were treated to an extra cosmic spectacle. The potential cherry on top of this celestial event was the possible sighting of comet 12P Pons Brooks. This comet, named after its discoverers, is a periodic comet, which meant it had a well-defined orbit and returned to the inner solar system again and again. With a bit of luck and clear skies, spectators of the 2024 solar eclipse might have spotted this celestial traveler from their viewing locations. Fact 7. The eclipse passing through Tornado Alley. Here's a thrilling twist. The The 2024 solar eclipse passed through the infamous Tornado Alley. For those who didn't know, Tornado Alley was a section of the United States where tornadoes were most frequent. It stretched across the central states from Texas through the plains to as far north as Minnesota. Imagine this. The sky darkened in the middle of the day, the temperature dropped, stars became visible, and then a tornado formed. The eclipse itself did not cause tornadoes. Tornadoes are formed from severe thunderstorms. However, the sudden drop in temperature caused by the eclipse could potentially trigger thunderstorms. It wasn't a guarantee, but the eclipse passing through Tornado Alley did open up the possibility of seeing both an eclipse and a tornado occurring simultaneously. It was a rare and exciting prospect for those with an adventurous spirit and a fascination with the forces of nature. Fact 8. Solar eclipse. Crossed the path of America's last eclipse. An interesting coincidence. The 2024 solar eclipse crossed the path of America's last solar eclipse. Yes, you heard it right. The path of the 2024 solar eclipse intersected the path of the 2017 solar eclipse, creating a zone of overlapping totality in southern Illinois and western Kentucky. This region, also known as the eclipse crossroads, experienced 2 total solar eclipses within a span of 7 years. That was a rare celestial treat. If you were living in or near these areas, you were in for a potentially once-in-a-lifetime spectacle. For those who missed the 2017 eclipse, that was your golden chance to witness the awe-inspiring beauty of a total solar eclipse. Fact 9. The eclipse's connection to the Saros cycle. Did you know the 2024 solar eclipse was part of a larger cosmic cycle? Indeed, it was a part of what we call the Saros cycle. This cycle is a period of approximately 18 years, after which eclipses happen all over again. But they shift about 120 degrees west on Earth's surface. Why do this happen? It is due to a natural harmony that exists between 3 lunar cycles: the synodic month, the draconic month, and the anomalistic month. When these 3 cycles line up, which takes about 18 years, we have a Saros cycle and a new eclipse. So, the 2024 solar eclipse wasn't just a one-off. It was a repeat performance of an eclipse that happened 18 years ago, with slight geographical adjustments. Fact 10. The phenomenon of cold and shadow bands. Finally, as we approach the grand spectacle of the 2024 solar eclipse, there were some unusual phenomena that onlookers could expect. One such phenomenon was the unexpected drop in temperature as the moon obscured the sun, blocking its radiant heat. A noticeable chill descended. This was not your typical evening cool-down. The temperature could drop by as much as 20 degrees Fahrenheit, giving a unique eerie feeling of an impromptu winter's day in the height of spring or summer. But the oddities didn't stop there. You should have prepared yourself for the mesmerizing sight of shadow bands. These were thin, wavy lines of alternating light and dark that could be seen moving and undulating in parallel on plain-colored surfaces just before and after totality. Scientists believed these are caused by the Earth's atmosphere refracting the last slivers of sunlight. It was a stunning visual spectacle that added to the otherworldly experience of a total solar eclipse. What do you think about this? Leave it here in the comments and take the opportunity to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.